Hola! Here are the major landmarks in development of pharmacology. First in the list was Francis McGinty. He is a French physiologist laid under the dictum facts and facts alone are the basis of the science. He also developed experiments to elucidate the physiological process and action of the drug in the body. Next is Friedrich Serturner, a German pharmacist assistant isolated morphine, the first pure drug in 1805. Claude Bernard, considered to be the father of experimental medicine, investigated the plant extract curare and proposed a site of action for this agent. Rudolf Bachem, a German pharmacologist in 1847, established the first laboratory devoted to experimental pharmacology in the basement of the home of Dorpat, which known as Cradle Experimental Pharmacology. Oswald Smigberg, he is the father of pharmacology. In 1872, he set up an institution of pharmacology in Strasbourg, France. John Newport Langley and Sir Henry Deal, they are the pioneer of pharmacology in England, taking physiological approach. John J. Abel, father of American pharmacology. He established the first chair of pharmacology in USA. In 1891, co-founded the Journal of Pharmacology and Experimental Therapeutic in 1909. L. Mayer Jones, he is the father of modern veterinary pharmacology. He authored the first book of veterinary pharmacology therapeutics in 1954. Colonel Ramnath Kupra is the father of Indian pharmacology, and Luis Lasagna, the father of clinical pharmacology. And pharmacology has chemistry, biochemical science, therapeutics, and commerce. Thank you, adios!